Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera. This entry-level DSLR is designed for beginners seeking to enhance their photography skills. Its user-friendly interface and robust features make it a popular choice for those transitioning from smartphone photography. At the heart of the Rebel T7 is a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor paired with the DIGIC 4+ image processor. This combination delivers high-resolution images with impressive clarity and reduced noise. The native ISO range of 100 to 6400, expandable to 12800, ensures versatility in various lighting conditions. The included EFS 18 to 55mm f3.5 to 5.6 IS-2 lens offers a versatile focal length range, suitable for everyday shooting scenarios. The Rebel T7 features a 9-point autofocus system, which is adequate for general photography needs. However, some users have noted that the autofocus can be slow, especially in live view mode. The camera's continuous shooting speed is up to 3 frames per second, which may not suffice for fast-moving subjects. Additionally, the Rebel T7 offers full HD 1080p video recording at 30 frames per second, suitable for casual videography. Connectivity options include built-in Wi-Fi and NFC, allowing for easy sharing and remote control via compatible devices. The camera's design is compact and lightweight, making it comfortable for extended use. While the Rebel T7 lacks some advanced features found in higher-end models, it serves as a solid foundation for those new to DSLR photography. Thank you for joining us in exploring the Canon EOS Rebel T7. If you found this review helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy shooting!